The koi, a type of fish often kept in ponds and gardens, originally came from a wild fish called the common carp. Common carp are originally from Europe and Asia, and they live in lakes, ponds, and streams with muddy bottoms and not much water movement. Maintaining water temperature is crucial. If the water is too warm, it can't hold as much oxygen. This is because oxygen dissolves less easily in warmer water. In fact, if the water gets hotter than 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius, it won't have much oxygen at all. On the other hand, if the water is too cold, below 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the type of fish, it can slow down their digestion and even make them hibernate early. So, it's important to keep the water at the right temperature to keep your fish happy and healthy. Koi need a minimum of 250 gallons of water. A school of large fish will need up to 1,000 gallons. Your pond should have a minimum depth of 6 feet and include both shallow and deeper areas. The rule of thumb with these fish is to keep 10 gallons of water for every inch of fully grown koi. This means 250 gallons of water per adult fish. Proper filtration is essential. Unfortunately, the lack of soil in man-made ponds results in an environment that lacks the number of microorganisms found in a natural pond. The purpose of a filter is to remove debris, waste, and harmful chemicals from the water. There are several types of filters to choose from, including mechanical, biological, and chemical filters. Mechanical filters physically remove debris and waste from the water. Choose a filter that is appropriate for the size of your pond. If it's too small, it won't be able to handle the waste in the water, while a filter that is too big is wasteful and unnecessary. In addition to the filter itself, you'll also need to consider the pump and tubing that will circulate the water through the filter. A good rule of thumb is to choose a pump that can circulate the entire volume of water in your pond at least once per hour. Plants can help filter the water. Some of the best are water hyacinth, water lilies, cattails, pickerels, floating pondweed, duckweed. In their natural habitat, koi fish are known to have big appetites and eat a diet similar to goldfish. They're not picky eaters and enjoy both plant material and small animals like zooplankton and insects. However, they do not eat other fish but may consume their eggs. In a well-stocked pond, koi will find enough natural vegetation and creatures to eat. To provide a balanced diet, it is recommended to supplement their diet with commercial food. Koi fish are social creatures and prefer living in groups of their own kind. Keeping them in groups of at least 5 individuals is recommended, and in larger ponds, you can keep up to 15 koi. It's not a good idea to keep koi alone as they thrive better in the company of their own species. All new fish must be quarantined for 2 weeks prior to introduction to your pond. Koi fish can get very sick and even die from a contagious virus called koi herpesvirus, KHV. This virus affects all types of common carp and has an 80% chance of being fatal to infected fish. Sadly, infected fish may die within just 1 or 2 days of contracting the virus. Even if a fish survives the infection, it becomes a permanent carrier of the virus and can infect other carp in the pond. To keep your fish healthy, it's recommended to let frogs come to your pond on their own instead of buying and introducing them to your pond. Frogs purchased from pet stores or other ponds can carry bacterial infections that may harm your fish. Keeping koi can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience, but it requires a certain level of commitment and knowledge. By providing them with a suitable environment, a balanced diet, and regular maintenance, you can ensure their health and longevity.